One name, when a good afternoon. One name Organiadago, Organiadago. There is a famine. All these things we talk about story of tortoise in the kingdom of famine. There is a famine in Nigeria. Organiadago. I go mama put, I want buy food. Before you can buy a food that will be the food you. 2,000 naira. See it now. You see it? 2,000. See, I don't know how to show. 2,000 naira. The food that will be the food you. 2,000. If Nanya be fair, the price of everything is on the high side. But she the good food though. Hey, mommy only. She the good food, whatever. Even she the element. She the element. The price of everything is on the high side. No be half work. If I know you can add down, nobody man. That is the famine in the kingdom of animals. That is what happened in Nigeria. You cannot use 1,000 to buy food cooked by yourself. Put me anywhere. Let me share this video. Now swallow. I dey eat. Wait to share me, me. Macro gambade. Anybody who they eat 3 times in a day before can no longer eat it. Maybe in the morning time, you wake up, you eat. Around 12 o'clock, you eat. Around 6 or 7 o'clock p.m. you eat. Nowadays, you may be even once in a day. It may be once in a day you eat. Because I go because you want to fire or just say you can. No money, no market. The rich is crying. We the poor, we also crying. Who can comfort each other? Can I go and comfort rich man? No. I cannot comfort man. I will manage myself. I will comfort myself. Thank you. This is the mama put. The mama put. And eat. The food that they buy 500. Now it's 2,000 naira. You know what you mean? God help us. Help me share this video. Also on our